So one of the other things you can do to help with electroculture is to take magnets with a hole in them and put them onto a steel rod so that they are orientated from north to south in a particular direction. And then you dip them into beeswax, and because you want the energy of the local environment, and what better way to give you that than the wax from the bees that have been all over the environment. And when these are dry, we're going to place them into the ground, and that again will help with the permaculture from the copper rods that are coming in as well, and help increase our yield enormously. That's the idea. We'll see what happens in reality, but we're going to have a go. So I've taken a stainless steel rod. There are 10 magnets on here, which I have then covered with wax. I've then put a tiny piece of copper around it, making sure that there is a hole so it doesn't come up completely join. And then I just want to prepare that and stick it in. So this is some melted beeswax from bees that we have on the farm. And just to protect that copper a little bit more, we're just again dipping it into beeswax, and we're going to let that just dry. And so these are the ones that I am preparing now before I go up into the garden and place them in the soil. And hopefully we will have abundant veg with this later on in the year.